right, hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. I am Bert Blevins, and today we're going to be taking a look at Privilege Manager, a Delineate product, and how it works with directly works with the desktop in allowing and enabling users to have control over certain functions. And let's get right to it and see what I'm talking about. So we're going to go into a component here called Client System Settings within Privilege Manager. So if you're not familiar with Privilege Manager, basically Privilege Manager can do a couple things here around the management of an endpoint. One is local administration of users, admin users, and then secondly is application policies. But one of the application policies that spawns off here is we have an immediate a menu item here that we can click called Client System Settings. And what this is going to enable us to do is to automatically give the user, based upon what set of computers they're in, because we can set that as well. So we can have targeted sets of computers, most just like an OU would be. So you're targeting groups of computers, but you can allow the user to simply add a printer if they're out in the field, if they're offline, or so they're not going to get prompted for a UAC prompt for username, password. Same applies if they're out in the field. This like field service workers and so forth, where your Wi-Fi connections, constantly you're having to switch that out, and we don't need to have that being prompted for username, password. So what we do here is we just enable this to be able to be controlled by the user, even though the user does not have administrative rights on their machine. So we can set these particular settings here. There's some other ones here that we can toggle on and off. But I wanted to show that real quick here in this particular demo and show you how a user can control these particular aspects of their system without being an admin of their machine. So thank you for watching and have a great day.